Welcome to the EV Stock Pre-Market Report. Let's jump into the electric vehicle market's latest movements and surge signals for today's trading session. Starting with Tesla, it saw a 4.22% increase, with upward and downward surge signals at 228.87 and 215.08, respectively. NIO, on the other hand, experienced a slight dip of minus 0.28%, with surge signals at 7.4 for an upward move and 7.08 for a downward trend. Lucid Motors had a good day with a 4.47% gain, setting today's surge signals at 4.1 for an upswing and 3.77 for a downturn. Rivian also saw a positive movement with a 5.13% increase, with surge signals at 16.62 for an upward trend and 15.52 for a potential drop. Mullen Automotive faced a minus 4.6% decrease, with surge signals at a narrow 0.22 for a rise and 0.18 for further losses. Nikola's stock rose by 4.59%, with surge signals at 1.04 for a potential climb and 0.95 for a continued fall. Li Auto's shares increased by 6.76%, with surge signals at 40.05 for an upward move and 38.43 for a downward trend. XPeng's stock went up by 2.62%, with surge signals at 15.87 for a recovery and 15.45 for additional decline. ChargePoint had a modest increase of 1.48%, with surge signals at 2.83 for an upward shift and 2.64 for a downward move. Canoo, on the other hand, jumped by 3.14%, with surge signals at 0.26 for continued growth and 0.24 for a potential pullback. Polestar Automotive saw a 0.49% rise, with surge signals at 2.11 for further gains and 2.01 for a slight retreat. Microvision experienced a minus 1.01% decrease, with surge signals at 2 for an upward trend and 1.92 for a downward shift. Palantir had a slight increase of 0.2%, with surge signals at 19.96 for continued growth and 19.38 for a potential decline. Fisker's stock increased significantly by 7.03%, with surge signals at 4.24 for an upward move and 3.87 for a downward trend. Stellantis saw a 1.55% rise, with surge signals at 19.84 for further gains and 19.44 for a potential drop. Blink Charging had a significant surge of 11.73%, with surge signals at 3.64 for continued growth and 3.07 for a pullback. EVgo's stock increased by 9.52%, with surge signals at 2.92 for a rebound and 2.54 for further decline. Fuel Cell Energy experienced a 1.94% increase, with surge signals at 1.09 for a potential rise and 1 for continued losses. Workhorse Group had a notable increase of 4.8%, with surge signals at 0.42 for an upward trend and 0.38 for a downward move. That's all for today's pre-market insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily updates on EV stocks and stay informed with the latest market trends. Keep your investments charged and ready for action.